is the Power BI experience. So this comes by default. It is a component of Microsoft Fabric. There's no doubt about it. But there are several limitations. Okay. So if you just buy a Fabric license, you of course get a Power BI experience, but you can't do many things in the Power BI. So there are some things like which are limited, like you can't share your work with others, you can't collaborate. The basic things only for your personal usage you can do using the Power BI. But there are several factors like which license you have, whether you have a free, pro, or premium per user. And like if your organization has a subscription for premium capacity, uh, and what is your workspace role. So they are all like the combination of all these three things determines like what you can do in the Power BI with respect to the Fabric. So here again, there are some permissions, some capabilities which are limited. So like if you are a pro or a premium per user, right? Licenses in Power BI, then you have the ability to create, share, and utilize all the advanced feature within the Power BI. And so even additionally, like in if their organization has a premium subscription, the pro and the PPU users, PPU is the premium per user. Those users can also invite the free users to collaborate within the workspaces. Okay, so the licensing part is little complicated because this Power BI and the Fabric license part. So there are a lot of permutation and combinations which is possible in this.
Please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.